Clean your VJ in just one night. Your gynecologist does not want you to know this. If you have cysts, fibroids, or very heavy periods, or none at all, prepare this herbal tea and cleanse yourself quickly to avoid diseases. You are going to wash a red onion well and cut it with the skin on. Then cut it into squares. Add the onion to a cup of boiling water. Once it's boiled, serve it in a cup and drink a cup of it. You can sweeten it with whatever you want, a little honey, and drink it hot. You can drink it on an empty stomach or before going to bed. It cleans you up a lot. Your period comes if it doesn't come. If it comes in abundance, this regulates them. Comment yes, and I'll send you the full tea recipe along with one remedy a lot of women thank me for. But you must be following me first so I can reach you.